Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS pharmaceutical box mold finished for oral liquid in the EPS mold factory. EPS pharmaceutical box mold, as known as EPS medical box mold. The key to make this EPS mold is the accuracy, not too loose and not too tight. If the mold is too loose, it will cause the glass bottle of oral liquid to fall out. If it's too tight, it will lead to difficult removing the glass bottle from the foam tray. For more information about EPS pharmaceutical box mold, leave your comments below or contact with us by email. If you like our video, please subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, please give us a like so we will know we are doing the right things. See you next video.